It's Easter Monday. I'm Christelle and welcome to another edition of E-Prime. Carnival in Jamaica will be used as the umbrella brand for all carnival activities during the peak period. Absolutely one of the most important figures in the history of Jamaican music is Byron Lee, who was also a soca giant. With a career spanning over 5 decades, Lee's spectacular achievement saw him earning over 120 awards. Lee, who attended the St. George's College, started the Dragonaires in the early 1950s, and by 1960s they had a handful of hits including Jamaican ska. Lee's introduction of calypso and soca sounds to the Jamaican mainstream is arguably his greatest achievement, which he made a reality in 1990 with Jamaica Carnival, a fixture on the Jamaican entertainment landscape, attracting some of the biggest names in the music industry. Byron Lee died at the age of 73 and will forever be one of the great musical icons of the Caribbean. Despite the backlash, particularly from Jamaicans, since declaring her same-sex preference, international Jamaican singer Diana King is celebrating a monumental maternal win. The singer recently took to social media to officially welcome and introduce daughter Omar Diana King to the world. The Instagram post read, "So it's legal and official. Say hello to my daughter Omar Diana King, #WeLegal. I am most honored and grateful to have been chosen." She further uses a string of hashtags to describe her happiness, from a girl named Omar to OM, #joy, destiny, adoption, daughter, LGBTQ mom, the happy singer wrote. On the international scene, Bill Cosby has lost his bid to question his accuser in court before his sexual assault case goes to trial. The 79-year-old comedian's lawyers lost their appeal on the issue of whether accuser Andrea Constant should have been forced to testify at a preliminary hearing in 2016. The Pennsylvania Supreme Court declined Cosby's appeal. He is charged with drugging and molesting Constant in 2004. He has pleaded not guilty and remains free on $1 million bail. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you for watching.